Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to search items on Temu. So guys, before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. Now, with that said, once you are on the Temu, just simply sign in into your account over here, guys. And from here, guys, just simply provide your email and password, or you can continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. And now I'm gonna go continue with my Google and sign in into my account. And now once you are signed in, guys, right away you will have here the search button or the search bar. So from here, just simply provide a keyword. So let's say I'm gonna go for a lighter. And from here, as you can see, we will have here multiple options that we have search. And now let's try to go for sunglasses. And from here, you'll be able to see it here. And you can be more specific, like bike sunglasses, let's say. As you can see, we will have here multiple options as well. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.